There you go. We'll let gravity do the rest, and we'll slowly pull it down. May have to help it a little bit. But as you know, the pump, what do you call it? It takes it a while. So at least 3 minutes is what they say. But the guy's using a pressure, blowing it in there with pressure. And then the next thing I need to do over here, we'll stop this in just a second, but this is all done. I need to hook the water up over here, which I bought an inline thing for it, and I can't find it. So that I could just add water in through the heater core and everything and fill the block up. Start there. And then put this shroud on, and we're pretty ready to sit her on the ground. Last night I came out and I went on ahead and put a gallon and about a half of transmission fluid in it, and I put 5 quarts of oil in the motor, which I know the oil lines and everything drained out, so hopefully we'll be okay. And don't forget, you gotta snap that there, put your lines back in right here. They go in this shroud. We'll do that in just a minute. We'll get that one set. Other than that, it should be ready to crank. Put water in it. Get this pump primed. Alright, y'all, peace.